blue-eyed son. Oh, where have you been, my darling young one? I've stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle.
All right, so hey, here we go. We are heading into Ocean City, Maryland to
I've been out in front
with the old Hurricane
of a
Sandy.
dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. Saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. Saw a room full of men with the hammers of bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. Saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. Saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, oh, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. And what did you hear, my blue-eyed son?
The door.
And what did you hear,
oh my Lord,
my darling young one? Heard a sound of a thunder, it roared out a warning. Heard the roar of a wave that would drown the whole world. Heard 100 drummers whose hands were ablazing. Heard 10,000 whispers.
Well, here we are down the inlet. Definitely freaking cranking up out here.
Heard one person starve.
Coming up and shoot across this freaking here.
Heard the sound of a gun right in the alley, and it's a hard,
Here we are down the inlet.
it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain
Troopers up here getting everybody out of the inlet. As you can see, the wind is pretty busy.
Oh, did you meet my blue-eyed son? Oh, did you meet my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman whose body was burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. And I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded with hatred. And it's a hard, yes, it's a hard, it's a hard